Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to make somebody an admin in your group. So most likely a parent group that you have going. Once you're in your group, you're going to come over to where it says members and click on it. Then up here at the top, you have to add member. Then type in the name of the person that you want to add. After you type part of their name, you have to hit enter. Click on the person, add. Wait. Okay. On Schoology, it has the people approve if they accept your invitation or not. So for right now, I'm going to show you how to make somebody an admin using somebody different. So I'm going to use Linda real quick. She's already in my group. So I would come over here to the gear and then just hit make admin. And then that would give her access to uploading things in my group. You know somebody is an admin if they have this little shield next to their name. And that is how you make them an admin.